Hi everyone, and welcome to a special hydrogen edition of Hyundai Showroom Walk Around. I'm Jesse, your product specialist and host, and this is our 2020 Hyundai Nexo fuel cell. It's one of the many alternative fuel vehicles we have in our lineup here at Hyundai, and it's the world's only fuel cell SUV. Now, Nexo is actually an electric vehicle. It has an electric motor and battery. But you don't have to plug it in to charge it up because guess what? It runs on hydrogen. That's right. And with a full tank of hydrogen, Nexo gets an EPA estimated driving range of 380 miles in its blue trim. That's much more than many of the other electric vehicles on the market and enough to get you from Los Angeles to San Francisco non-stop. Now, we have our fully loaded Nexo Limited trim with us here, and let's start off by talking about some of those unique, special advantages Nexo gives its owners. How about just feeling good because you're making a positive impact on the environment with zero emissions except clean water? How about taking only 5 minutes to fuel your Nexo? That's right, we're not talking a full overnight charge, we're not talking 30 minutes of charging that some of the faster charging electric vehicles get. 5 minutes and you're ready to go. Now, speaking of fuel, how about complimentary fuel for 3 years or $13,000 maximum, whichever comes first? How about riding solo in the carpool lane with HOV access? How about federal tax credits up to $8,000 and additional state incentives that may apply? And for those long road trips, how about free vehicle rentals up to 7 days a year for 3 years? So obviously, Nexo comes with some very impressive ownership benefits. But also, how about that design? Because this is what an advanced hydrogen vehicle should look like. It's a compact SUV, perfect size to seat up to 5. You get this distinct front end styling with its cascading front grille and triangular design elements. LED daytime running lights that stretch across the entire front, LED turn signals, air curtain intakes down below that are the key to increasing aerodynamics and maximizing that great driving range. 19-inch alloy wheels with that unique triangular design and 5 spokes, power folding side mirrors, and how about retractable door handles? Now, these are further going to improve your aerodynamics by increasing airflow and reducing drag. You got wind blades on the D-pillars to channel airflow, and as we move to the back, rear LED taillights with clean lens and that signature triangle design. Now, let's take a moment to talk about drive feel in the Nexo. Now, as a fuel cell, it uses hydrogen stored in highly durable carbon fiber tanks that have been tested to withstand extreme amounts of heat and pressure. Now, that hydrogen is used to generate electricity for its 120 kilowatt electric motor that's getting you 161 horsepower and 291 pounds of torque. So the Nexo drives and feels like an all-electric vehicle, giving you that instant torque acceleration. And best of all, the only byproduct from this process is environmentally friendly, clean water. You have a 380-mile driving range on a full tank of hydrogen, and again, it takes just 5 minutes to fuel up much faster than other electric vehicles out there. Now, these high-end design elements and features don't stop on the outside of the vehicle. As we take a look inside, you're going to see premium finishing, styling, elements like our Krell premium audio system with clarified music restoration technology, polished aluminum and satin finished buttons. You're going to see that floating bridge console, so beautiful, and that push button transmission, leather wrapped steering wheel with its unique 2-spoke design, heated and ventilated front seats, and that wide sunroof up top. Now, we've talked about the benefits of hydrogen fuel, and we've taken a look at that modern, sleek design. Now, let's check out that advanced high-end technology in our Nexo. you're going to get an integrated, seamless display that combines our 7-inch digital instrument cluster with our 12.3-inch touchscreen, surround view monitor, blind spot view monitor, wireless device charging, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and remote smart parking assist. Now, remote smart parking assist is a great feature where with the touch of a button on your key fob, you can get Nexo to move forward and backwards in and out of parking spaces, and even get Nexo to parallel park for you. Of course, being an SUV, Nexo also gives you the practical versatility that come with that designation. You're going to get a 60-40 split folding rear seats along with plenty of cargo space in back. And when it comes to safety features, Nexo is packed with some of our advanced Hyundai Smart Sense safety features that use an array of cameras and sensors around the vehicle to act like an extra set of eyes to keep you aware of what's going on. They can warn you of potential collisions and even in some instances apply braking to help you avoid them. Now, Hyundai also produces and uses its own advanced high-strength steel in our vehicles. This is what makes Nexo lighter and stronger, leading to improvements in both safety and performance. No wonder IIHS gave Nexo a top safety pick plus. And also, since you're getting a Hyundai, you know you're backed by America's best set of warranties. Nexo's high-capacity lithium-ion polymer battery system gets a 10-year, 100,000-mile battery warranty. You get a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty. You get a 5-year, 60,000-mile new vehicle limited warranty, a 5-year unlimited miles, 24-hour roadside assistance. So you can see the Nexo gives a set of experiences that are truly amazing. And this is not just because of that remarkable and innovative hydrogen engineering. The modern, sleek design inside and out is an experience. The advanced safety features and high-end technology are experiences. I mean, even parking the Nexo is an experience. And all these benefits add up to make the Nexo fuel cell an SUV like no other.